cartoons for kids!
One bright sun shining in the sky, smiling down on you and I. Two little birds flying high, flap, 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 as they pass by. Three balloons, red, blue, yellow, floating up so soft and mellow. Four pretty flowers swaying slow in the breeze, they love to grow. Five red apples, juicy and sweet, line them up for a tasty treat. Six little ducks splash and play, quack, quack, quack all day. Seven stars sparkle at night, twinkle, twinkle, oh so bright. Eight ice creams stacked up tall, let's share them with our friends, one and all. Nine kites dancing in the sky, waving colors as they fly by. 10 happy friends hand in hand, laughing together across the land. Count with me from 1 to 10. Let's sing it once and sing again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're in counting heaven. Count with me from 1 to 10. Let's sing it once